Hello, my friends. A collage is what we're going to work on today. And this is a French word, collage, that just means paper glued to paper. That's all it means. So we're going to get to make our own collage today. And it would just be where you take your glue bottle, touch the paper, draw a thin line, and then glue it to another piece of paper so it sticks. And you can make all kinds of designs with different colored papers. So let me show you how we're going to make our collage today. Here's the kind of collage that we are going to make. You notice there's newspaper and tissue paper glued onto construction paper. 3 different kinds of paper all glued together. That's what we're going to make today. Let me show you how. We're going to start with a plain piece of construction paper. And we're going to add some newspaper first. But first thing we're going to do is change this newspaper into 7 different pieces by tearing it with our pincher fingers. So watch, if we take our fingers at the top and put them right next to each other, and pull one forward and one back, we can easily tear that paper. If we put our fingers very far apart, it won't tear that easily. So we want to keep them very close together, and we want to move one hand forward towards us and the other hand away. So we'll tear that paper. We're going to make 7 different pieces of paper. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see. 5. Maybe I'll tear this one. 6. This one's still really big. Maybe I'll tear that one. 7. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we're ready to go. So here I have my glue bottle. I'm going to open it by twisting the top and making the white button disappear. See, there's the white button. That means it's closed. And now it's open. And I'm going to arrange the newspaper so that it is balanced in composition. So I might put one there. I might put one there. I can arrange these in different ways. Oh, I have 2 more. Maybe one there and one there. So it fills the paper space in different directions. I don't want to glue them all down on the paper on just one side and have nothing on the other side. That's not very balanced. Let's review the gluing. Remember, you hold your paper with one finger, touch or tap with the other, and just draw one thin line. Use your pincher fingers to turn it over, and then think about where you want to put it, and lay it down. Perfect. Get the next piece, hold it with a finger, draw one line, use pincher fingers to flip it over, and maybe I'll put this one over here. So I can put all these pieces of paper onto my paper, my construction paper, and start my collage by gluing paper to paper. Let's see, we'll put this one maybe right there. Okay? So I'll give you a second to do that. There we go. All 7 pieces are glued down. So the next step is to use some green paper. We're going to add a little extra color to this. This is tissue paper though. This is a different thickness than newspaper, and newspaper is a different thickness than construction paper. So many different kinds of paper. But we're going to do the same thing, except this time we're going to make 5 pieces. So I'm going to use my pincher fingers and start to tear. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now I have 5 different pieces to add to my collage. Again, we don't want to glue all 5 pieces in just one place. We want to balance our composition, so we're going to glue them all over. We're going to do the same thing. These are very thin. They don't take much glue. Touch, draw a line, turn it over, and just lay it down. Hold it down, touch, draw a line, use your pincher fingers, and decide where you want to put it. I think I'll put this one up here. So I'm going to give you a chance to glue down those 5 pieces. So there we go. All 5 are glued down and they're spaced out in my composition. So everything's pretty balanced. I could even hold it this way or this way, and it's still a very balanced composition in my collage. Now I'm going to take 1 red piece. Your teacher's going to give you 1 piece of red tissue paper, and this is going to be put in one place as a point of emphasis or focus. And what that means is that people will notice that part of your picture first. I could put it right smack in the middle, or I could put it up here in the corner. So you decide. You can have it overlap the blue, the green. Where do you think you want to put your 1 piece of emphasis? And again, hold it down, touch the glue bottle, draw a line, and then carefully lay it wherever you want to so that you have your finished paper collage. So I'll give you a second to do that step. Okay, so our collage is finished. We have 3 different kinds of paper on there. We have some newspaper, and we have tissue paper, and we have construction paper, all on the same collage. Let these dry and you can take them home. Now, when you get them home, you may even want to add more things to your collage, like maybe magazine pictures. So you can always add more things to your collage and glue them down, or you can just start a whole nother one and see what happens with that. Have fun with this project. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.